We're looking at two of the Survival Emergency Solutions first aid kits today. This is the Workplace Kit and the Snakebite Kit that we're looking at. Let's take a look at the Workplace Kit to start with, because this is the most comprehensive one that we have. First of all, that's the size of it, so you get a good opportunity to see what it looks like. And we've got a handle, we've got some loops, etc. for straps. We've got some zips around here, which have also got some extra stitching to prevent dust entry. So these are good quality zips. But I also wanted to point out what we're seeing on the front here, because basically the whole first aid kit has been designed inside and it's been colour coded. So we can see there that red is for trauma, blue is hygiene, green is for information, and black is utilities. And that's one very clever thing about the Survival Emergency Solutions range, is they've used that technique across all of their first aid kits. But also on this side here, we have what's referred to as QR codes. These are codes that can be scanned by a smartphone, and these will take you directly to the Survival Emergency Solutions website. And this basically here will show you 3 different areas. So iFirst Aid is an app that you can quickly get access to, a first aid handbook, and also when you want to restock the kit. So 3 very unique things to do with the first aid kits. Let's open this one out and take a look inside. There's a lot going on in here. Okay, so it opens and it opens and it opens into different sections, so quite a bit going on. But you'll see straight away these colour codes that I was talking about. So we've got green over this way, blue over here, and red we were saying was for trauma. So everything is colour coded. We've got lots of good things at the start here. We'll just run through this fairly quickly. At the beginning here, there's a pen and a good first aid kit, booklet. And you can see in here, we've got some basic CPR types of things. If we flick through the book, okay, so you've got some things that you can work through for shock, choking, etc. And then towards the back of the book, you've got an area for notes and also a record book. So you can actually pop down any notes. If you're doing any first aid treatment, you can record it in there as well. So it's quite a little handy thing to have, and that just sits at the front of the first aid kit. Another good feature of the first aid kit is you'll see pretty well everywhere there are numbers next to each one of these items, and that tells you how many there's supposed to be in total. So if we're looking at the bandages as an example, these ones here, it tells us there's supposed to be 6 in total. Or if we're looking at the bandages here for the triangular shaped ones, they're supposed to be 2. So you can easily do a check and know exactly how many you're supposed to have, and it's easy enough to restock. So let's pop this over one more side, because at the front section here is a personal section, so you can customise this and add your own medications in as necessary. At the very front there's also another zipped area to add your own stuff in as well, and it's also the location of an instant ice pack, so it's just a matter of squeezing this together to break the fluid pouch inside, and once everything melds together it will ice up for you. So that's basically a quick look at the Workplace Kit. What we'll do is we'll just pop that aside and we'll take a quick look at the Snakebite Kit. Very similar. Okay, so it's basically a smaller version, still got the double stitching to protect it. Both of these kits use what's referred to as the MOLLE system. It's a tactical attachment system, so easy enough to hang off of backpacks, cargo barriers, etc. And let's have a look inside this one here. Again, good strong zips. Okay, so this one here is nice and compact. We've got a splint in here, we've got a couple of pressure bandages and some gloves, and we've also got more bandages over this side. And this one here uses what's referred to as the Snakebite bandage, which is called the Smart Bandage. And cleverly enough, the Workplace Kit has also got one of those as well. And it's also got some instructions here for bites, and also there is another little instruction book here. So that tells you how to apply bandage, the pressure bandages, and to do immobilisation for bites and for stings. And there's also a pen as well. So quite comprehensive kits, these two. And as I said, they've got a few different kits that you can choose from, but for our type of remote travel, They're both really good to use together, and even for home, they're the perfect snakebite kit and workplace kit to use in any environment. So there you go, survival emergency solutions, workplace kit and snakebite kit.